Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. How many people like deer tenderloin or venison tenderloin? Okay, I know a lot of people do, but some people don't. They say it's too gamey. Well folks, I have a deer tenderloin here. My husband got a deer a few days ago. We hung it in the barn and let it age. And I'm going to slice this up. I've already got it cut into serving size portions for our family. Some on my hand there. But I'm going to slice this up. And I don't like anything very gamey myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag. And I'm going to put milk in there, because that will help draw the gamey flavor out. You can use whole milk, or you can use buttermilk. That will work too. A lot of people use salt water. That works as well. But if you want to take the gamey flavor out of meat and tone it down a little bit, just soak it in milk or salt. Okay, I have my tenderloin cut into small pieces. I have my Ziploc bag. I've got just regular milk from the grocery store. Put that in there. Make sure we have a good seal on it. And we don't on this one. What the heck? There we go. Now I hear it sealing. That Ziploc getting zipped, did it? You can leave that sitting for a couple of hours, but I'm going to leave mine sitting for overnight because I'm prepping for in the morning. So that is all you do to take the game out of it. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little tidbit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.